Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore workers' comp enrollment with Next Insurance, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore your workers' compensation enrollment with Next Insurance, begin by visiting the official Next Insurance website. Log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, create one by clicking on the sign up option and filling in the necessary details. Once logged in, navigate to the policies section in the dashboard. Identify the workers' compensation insurance policy that you wish to restore. Click on the policy to access its details. Look for the option labeled Restore Enrollment or similar wording. Carefully read any prompts or information provided about the restoration process. Follow the on-screen instructions to begin the restoration. You may be asked to confirm certain details, such as your business information and any changes that may have occurred. Make sure all information is accurate before proceeding. Once you've confirmed your details, submit the restoration request. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your request is being processed. Check your email for any communications from Next Insurance regarding the status of your restoration. If required, respond promptly to any requests for additional information. Once your application is approved, you will receive a notification confirming your restored enrollment. Review your policy documents to ensure everything is in order. If you encounter any issues during this process, reach out to Next Insurance customer support for assistance. Keep a record of your submission and any communication for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.